Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddedDad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you a gym hack that's going to make your rings workout a little bit less frustrating. And we all know how it is. We have our rings, and in order to set this up, it takes a little bit of time. We have to get it through the pull-up bar. You have to get the strap through this buckle, and this buckle is sometimes not the easiest thing to work with. So let's do this. Let's set this up. So we got the buckle. We got to get this strap through it. And sometimes this can be a little frustrating due to the fact that these things are not the easiest to work with. So you have to pull it through. You get it through, then you can go ahead and pull the rest of the strap through it. And now you have to make sure that the height of this one matches the other one. So you have to kind of gauge it. And then after that, you also have to deal with the fact that you have this leftover strap that gets in the way. Now there's an easier way to do this, and I'm going to show you that right now. You can get some of these. These are very inexpensive. They're about 30 bucks. These are retractable straps. You basically have a hook on the top, a hook on the bottom, and then this over here retracts in different directions. It goes up and down to different heights. And this one in particular is an inch thick. You can get them thicker as well. They come in 2 inches. It holds 1,100 pounds, and then it retracts to about 10 feet. Now, the good thing about this is that also on this one in particular, you can create a soft loop by getting this piece of strap into the other hook there at the end. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to set these up with your rings. So you're going to grab one end. I like to grab the strap with the soft loop, throw it over the bar, get the hook into that, and then this has a release button here that lets you change the different heights. You get your rings, you get the hook it onto the strap itself, and then you're ready to go. See how simple it was compared to the other one? What I've done is I put markers, line markers here, so that I'm able to basically know exactly where this one is, and then I can match the other ring to that. And these are very, very easy to use. I press this red button, I can go up, I can go down to different heights. And then another thing about that is that if I wanted to use something different here, instead of rings, I can use handles as well to mimic a TRX. So very simple to do. Take the ring off, get my handle, put it on the hook. If I wanted to change the height, just pull that up, and I'm ready to go. And now I can use this as a TRX. Now, if you still want to do something like a TRX, but you don't have the additional handles, or you don't want to get the handles, then there's another way to do this. And again, very simple to do. What we're going to do is we're going to flip this upside down. I'm going to take the soft loop and I'm going to bring it to the bottom. Then I'm going to throw the other end over the bar, hook it to itself, and now the soft loop here I can use as a handle. Okay? And that way I can create a TRX style type of piece of equipment. And again, all I have to do is press this red button here. That releases the cable. And now I have up to 10 feet that I can play with, and you can do different exercises here. Exercises such as pull-ups, you can do dips, you can do push-ups, you can do rows. Now if you have a high ceiling, you can also attach these to ring hangers on your ceiling, and then you can do exercises. You can do kipping pull-ups, you can do muscle-ups. So the versatility of exercises you get with these are immense, and they're very simple to set up. You just move that up and down, and you're ready to go. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you up close how these look. You have a button in the middle that you press, and that releases or retracts the strap, and then you're good to go. To set it up again, let me show you how quick this is. Throw it over the pull-up bar, get this through the soft loop, get my rings, and then I can just get the hook on the strap itself, lock it in place, and you're good to go. Now, in order to get these lines on there, I used a permanent marker. I just set it down on the floor. I put it right next to a tape measure, and then I went ahead and created the markers, and now I can just do this, very easily. I don't have to actually be down here trying to gauge if they're the same height. I already know that based on whatever marker it's on, they're going to be more or less even. So that's a hack, very simple hack that can replace a TRX suspension system. It can also make it very easy for you to go from one exercise to another when you're using the rings. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this strap here so that you can pick it up. It's very, very inexpensive, about 30 bucks. And then you can go ahead and start using it at your home gym. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.